that walk turned out to be so freaking good. It started raining in the middle, so I just decided that I will stop with 3 kilometers because I anyway walked a lot in the morning. I went to the mall earlier this morning. It's fine, it's compensated. I got this cute quad set-ish kind of activewear from this brand called LSKD. When this is not sponsored in any way, it is quite an expensive activewear brand, so I had a goal that I need to lose 5 kgs before I purchase something from them. And to my greatest timing, they actually had like an end of season, end of year sale, which was crazy because I got like 70% off on a whole set. I also went and got like matching shorts for this one. So our store had about 50% off, so I got like these pair of shorts, but this is later for the summer, not for now. Now coming to what exactly I wanted to do in this vlog is I've been doing monthly resets by myself, not filming, and basically it is just me deep cleaning the house. I do it twice a month, to be honest. What I basically do is I clean all surfaces, I put away things, I vacuum, I mop, I disinfect the sink, I disinfect areas wherever I'm working, new bed sheets. And in the week actually I had the plan kadayadu, but it's just that the house is so messy because I've had an extremely busy week. Like I didn't even cook that much this week. Avlo busy, like when I come home I'm so exhausted I had to get takeaway. My meal prepping didn't happen this week, so that's why everything fell back, but we are getting back on track for this week because I am confident that the next couple of weeks are going to be as crazy and as busy as how the past week was. So Aadhya, I want to be ready, and I'm not going to do everything on a single day, but I'm going to try my best to complete things today, and leftover I'm going to complete tomorrow. Not going to be much of talking after this because I'm going to like actually lock in and start cleaning. But before that, first I need to marinate my head with oil because you can see how greasy my hair is. So we're going to fix that. Appuram konjam work pannite, I mean pretty much majority of the work mudichite, I will go wash my hair, pretty much reset everything and start reading my book. That is kind of the plan, but yeah, majorly cleaning is the main goal for today. Then let's get started. Hey Siri, keep timer for 54 minutes.
50 minutes starting now.
54 minutes.
54 minutes starting now.
made cucumber pickle yesterday with like chili, and look at that. I think I need to wait maybe until tomorrow to eat it, but the color has definitely changed. It's 1.5 hours later since I started cleaning. I am actually pretty much done with everything apart from like actually cleaning the surfaces, especially only my kitchen surface, which I think I'm just gonna let it pass for today. Probably do it tomorrow. I only did the laundry for the sweatshirts. I have like a separate bunch that I need to put laundry for, but the thing is that I want that to dry a little bit because that's taken up most of the clothes rack that I have. I'm going to wait until tomorrow morning. Now I can finally feel like the pain in all the parts of my body, so I'm gonna go take a hot, nice everything shower and come back clean, and then we'll make dinner. I actually have marinated chicken already. I'm going to make a chicken tikka rice bowl, which is pretty easy. I just have a fancy name for it. I'm probably going to talk to my parents for a bit, and then we're going to lock in and read a book.
First book I have is The Strangers by Brisbane.